So, what are you going to learn in this workshop series? Using the major arcana of the tarot, we are going to be exploring major themes in archetype and symbolism that unite human experience. So this is kind of a form of internal divination where we're going to start out with getting an overview of the image of the card and delve a little bit into the main key symbolic forms within that card and why that image is presented as it is. That will provide you with the window, as it were, the language, in order to step through into the esoteric teaching, which is a deeper way for you to explore and relate to the meaning of that image from the standpoint of your own journey, your own spiritual journey as a human being. So our exploration is both theoretical and practical. There are contemplative aspects. There will be different exercises for you to engage, and you can, choose where you'd like to focus. But ultimately, we are using each image as a gateway into a particular body of instructions. So the major arcanum are called keys for this reason, because they open doorways into dimensions of our internal experience. That's really our perspective in this course. And my key text in this material is Meditations on the Tarot, A Journey into Christian Hermeticism. This book is my guide, my main guide, and the material in it is extremely profound and also very dense. So part of my job throughout this workshop series, throughout this workshop, is to distill this material and kind of translate it so that you don't necessarily have to read the tome. But if you're curious, I definitely recommend it. And it will fill out your experience of the course even more deeply. It will also give you a sense of if this course is right for you if you're not sure. So, just look into it, look it up on Amazon or whatever, and see if it looks like it's down your alley or not. So this course is really oriented towards using the tarot keys as a guideline for our own study of our own internal relationship with the archetypes and the symbols that mark all of human experience. So who is this course for? So there are no prerequisites for this course, but this course would be of interest to people who are specifically interested in tarot as a pathway of spiritual exploration. So we are using the cards as guides for meditation and guides for intellectual and theoretical study, as opposed to learning to read tarot spreads. If you are curious about the idea and concept of archetypes, of symbolism, comparative religion, of the Western esoteric tradition, of contemplative traditions, this course would be of interest to you. If you are interested in the deeper meaning behind the tarot cards, perhaps you're already a tarot practitioner and you'd like to go deeper into the meaning and the reason behind these cards and why these images are scattered throughout human civilization, this course would be of interest to you. If you are a spiritual explorer and you are interested in delving into your own internal experience and exploring different possibilities and potentials of seeing and exploring the world, then this is a good course for you. I tend to like to really dive deep. So if you're looking for a more kind of precursory class, this might not be for you. But then again, you can pick and choose the lectures that you like and go as deep or remain as kind of on the surface as you choose. So have a taste. I look forward to seeing you in class. Welcome.